Hey guys! If you haven't mastered the art of animated title intro, today's your last chance. This is the final tutorial in our series, and if you like what you see, you can download the template from the description below. In the meantime, let's see how things work. Launch VSDC and create a new project. Add a background image and set its duration at 3 seconds. If the image doesn't fit the size of the scene, just use the auto crop feature. Add a rectangle shape and stretch it to the size of the scene. Then go to the Properties window and select a gradient background. Switch blending type to hard light. Then click on the background image and apply the zoom effect to it. In the Properties window, find Levels and select Linear Parameter Change along the trajectory. On the timeline graph, find the control points we'll be working with. 0 point, 1 second, 2 seconds, 2 seconds and a half, Next, add another rectangle. This one will have a solid background. Switch blending type to Difference. And convert the rectangle into a sprite. Click on the sprite and shift the rectangle a bit to the left from the sprite frame. Now apply the movement effect to the rectangle. Set the movement vector in the Properties window, select Path Start Point Yes, Start Speed 0. Set the movement vector between 2 seconds and 2 seconds and a half on the timeline. See what happens? Our blending effect doesn't look right anymore because it has moved within the sprite. Just change the blending type to Difference. Go back to the main timeline tab and add your title. Convert it into a sprite, then click on the text and move it below the sprite area. add movement to the text. In the Properties window, set Path Start Point Yes, Start Speed 0. Set the movement vector between 0 point and 1 second. Go back to the main timeline tab and set the following parameters for the sprite. Use as container? No. Show effects? Yes. Fill background? No. Duplicate the sprite, then move the copy a bit down below and 1 second further on the timeline too. Make a double click on it and edit the text. Then make a double click on the text and change the last movement vector from 1 second back to 0.75 milliseconds. Make another duplicate, shift the copy down and edit the text again. Now let's add another piece of text. It can be credits or captions, starting from 2 seconds on the timeline. When ready, apply the fade-in effect to this piece of text. Select sprites 2, 3, and 4, plus captions, and convert all of these elements into a single sprite. In the Properties window of this mega sprite, set the usual parameters. And finally, apply the movement effect to it. In the Properties window, select Path Start Point Yes, Start Speed 0. There should be two vectors, from 1.25 seconds to 1.75 seconds and from 2 seconds to 2 seconds and a half. And there you have it, another modern animated title intro. Thank you for watching, and let us know what else you'd like to learn with VSDC. Until next time.